Welcome back to this channel. My name is Josh Jones. If this is the first time meeting, I teach about affiliate marketing, online business. I teach about how you can make a side income from your primary job. I teach you how to do what it is that you see other people do online with their business. How to generate leads, how to make sales from those leads, how to build an email list using content marketing, affiliate marketing, attraction marketing, email marketing. Yes, a lot of things marketing on this channel. So if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you follow. You'll get notified anytime I put out a new video. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it at josh@jonesrandomknowledge.com. My website is jonesrandomknowledge.com. I'll leave it in the bottom of the video, of course, for you to go and check it out for yourself. Now we're going to go ahead and get into this video content, but I just want to say thank you for your time ahead of time. Alright, so in this video, I want to teach you how I personally run my business on 5 hours or less a week. We're going to go ahead and get into it. It literally is possible with what I teach in this video that's going to make you have life and business balance. So I could have named this life and business balance, but I chose to do how to run your business. Well, in this case, you're asking a question. So how do I run my business in 5 hours a week or less? Let's discuss. Let's get into it. Alright, welcome into my computer. You'll see me in the top right here. Right here. Alright, I'm literally sharing with you what I do in my business. There are two platforms that I primarily use in my business. I'm a video guy. I'm not a blogger. I don't like writing. I don't like written text. So, that being said, I literally use video. So I do TikTok and YouTube. You're watching YouTube right now. TikTok has been something I've used only for a short time because I heard that it helps you get your brand awareness out there. So I decided I just had another message go through my TikTok account. I'm actually recording live. So people that are on my live right now are watching behind the scenes me doing this video for you. Alright, so if that interests you, maybe you want to go subscribe, follow me, and go to my live back behind the scenes videos from time to time. I usually do them on Fridays. Today is Saturday. Apologize, I'm not staying consistent with that. It just depends how I feel in my schedule. I am a busy guy. Why I do 5 hours or less in my business. Alright, so what you're seeing here is what I've talked about in other videos. This is my content planner. This keeps me on track of what I'm doing throughout each week when I make my content. And it's a little checklist of what I need to do to optimize my vehicle and get it prepared for you that is public to see. So, as you see here on the top of the screen, it literally says YouTube or YT Content Planner. This is also available for purchase if you choose to do this with your business. It's only an option. It's literally something that I designed for myself. I figure it can give you value if you want it for your business. The information will be sent to you at the end of this video to get access to it. Anyways, the topic of this is how to run my online business in 5 hours a week or less. And so we're going to go ahead and get into it. A lot of people think that they have to work 40 hours or more on their business. And to me personally, that's like having another regular job. That's literally taking yourself out of the game of life, out of the responsibilities and luxuries, if I can say it that way, of your life. Spending time with your loved ones, doing things that you enjoy, hobbies and interests. We all have one life to live, and we need to make the best of it. And I personally have a very busy schedule. In my personal life, I literally have what some people would consider 3 jobs, but I don't get paid for one of them that I'm talking about here. I do ministries in my church, which is not a monetary value that I get rewarded with, but it's a spiritual reward. It's something that I do for the love of Jesus, that I chose to do to help out in the church and become a vessel that is honorable and not dishonorable, to help people and not discourage people. It's a whole topic in itself of servanting. Servant marketing and servanting offline are similar in my business. What I do offline, I do online. So you see what everyone else sees. If you were to see me in real life, this is me. All the mistakes and all. all the mess ups and everything. So I hope that's encouraging to you. You don't have to be perfect to do this. Let's go ahead and get into the strategies of how I personally run my business on 5 hours or less. If you break that down, it's like 30 minutes a day. However, I have been addicted to TikTok lately. So in this description of 5 hours or less, I have done a lot more than 5 hours in watching content, okay, to get ideas of other people's content and helping myself to get information out to the public. So that all being said, my actual process, what we call income producing activities, is less than 5 hours. And I'm going to go ahead and share with you right now. At this current time, I'm literally going to spend about an hour, 20 minutes of recording on average, another 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to edit, prepare everything as you see on the screen, the checklist, to get this video ready for you. That's what I'm going to do for YouTube. TikTok, sporadically throughout the day, I do 4 videos, sometimes 5. It all depends how I feel. Sometimes even more. There was one day I did 23 videos in a day. I know some people can't do that. I was off for a week on vacation, so I was able to take the time and batch a whole lot of content. And instead of posting it throughout the week, I decided to do it all in a day. And sometimes people would say that it was a waste, but I just wanted to keep going. So I wanted to be consistent. So that's one way that you can do your business. Make content ahead of time, which is batching. Literally, I do mine in a whole bunch of time throughout the week. Whenever I'm able to, I pick up the phone, I hit the record, and I start speaking what's in my mind. That's why I call this Jones Random Knowledge. It's just random knowledge that I've learned. If I don't know something, I go and I learn it, then I do it, and then I teach it. The third step is most important because that's how you get to become an established marketer or an established expert in the new person's eyes. They'll come to you for the information that you have. Much like you're coming to this video right now because you probably had the question, how do you run your business on 5 hours or less a week? So I'm giving you value by sharing my knowledge, what I do personally, which is the second step. Once you learn something, you do it. Once you do it, now you teach it. That's what my business runs on right now. Never claim I'm an expert, but I do know a lot of stuff, and so I share it. And I try to help you, the viewer, to do and take action for your business. Okay, so as I mentioned, I have a TikTok account. We're just going to get into it here. Jones Random Knowledge 2. Right here is my link to my website if you want to check that out. In my description, I tell people I'm an affiliate marketer. My YouTube sub and your phone, it literally shows a layout differently than what it shows here. If it's pointing to the up, that would be the link that goes over to my YouTube channel, which you're watching right now. And down here, obviously, is the link I want everyone to go to my website and go through the process. What you're seeing here is all the content I mentioned about. Less than 30 minutes ago, I made these videos and posted them. And this is just the content strategy that I do. I try to help my viewers. As you read the red text in all the different videos, that's like the title of the video, what you're going to learn and read and listen to in the content. I try to help people as much as possible. I have been targeting certain audiences lately, which I will talk about on my TikTok account later in upcoming videos of what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. I teach strategy, tips, and tricks if you're wanting to learn. Literally 60 seconds worth of information, sometimes less, sometimes 15 seconds or less. I just get the information out to the viewer. They go through the process if they want to go further in their business. That's one strategy. That's throughout the week whenever I have time. That's how I do my content there. What I'm about to show you is GetResponse. This is how you do your leads after they submit their email into your follow-up sequence. It's a GetResponse. I am an affiliate for this. If you want, I'll leave the link below in this video. Of course, on my website, there's links that you can click and start your own email campaign with an email autoresponder. GetResponse is awesome. How I do my YouTube video thumbnails. I'm showing you about my back office here. Okay, this is stuff that most people do not see, but I want you to see real quick. Since I'm logged in, I might as well. Okay, it's been a while since I've done it. All designs. Yeah, there we go. That's how simple my thumbnails are. I have a template, and then I throw some elements on it, pictures, whatever I'm talking about in the video. So there you go. That's how I do my YouTube thumbnails. I use Canva, which I'm not an affiliate for. I try to be an affiliate for it, but they had some requirements that I didn't meet at the time, and I just decided I'm not going to do it. So going back to what I'm showing you here, when you run your business, you run YouTube, you make content like you're seeing right now, you give value in your videos, you share the main message or the main topic of the content of the title of your video, get the people results through your free content on YouTube. Then what the process is that I do personally is, after I am done with the content, like basically I'm almost done here with this, I'm then going to share what's called a CTA, a call to action. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn how you can generate sales, if you want to learn how to generate leads that leads to sales in your business, then this is what I want you to do. We call it a call to action. And that's when I lead my people that are watching my content over to my website, which is jonesrandomknowledge.com. You saw it at the beginning of this video in my intro. You'll probably see it somewhere in the middle, depending on where I put it at in this video. And then, of course, right now, verbally, I'm telling you, jonesrandomknowledge.com. Put it in any browser that you choose. I know there's several browsers, web browsers that you can choose from. Choose your favorite. Put the jonesrandomknowledge.com URL in. It's going to take you over. Right now, I have a temporary thing that I'm trying out that is a tracking form. You put in 2 questions. It's 2 questions. You answer those. Then it takes you over to my story. The reason why I'm doing this is I'm trying to help you to get to know me, who I am, because a lot of people don't know you yet when they first go to your first video. So I try to help people that are going to my website to get to know me better. I share my story, and then I offer them a way that if they want to advance in their business, in their life, to click a button. It's a green button at the bottom of the video, or at the bottom of the page. And then it takes them over to what is called an email capture page. The email capture page is where the person puts in their first name and puts in their email that they want to be contacted with. That contact information is private, it's secured, it's not going anywhere except for GetResponse's database. I use a landing page in GetResponse, which right now has an 18% opt-in, but I have low numbers that are going through it right now. Again, transparency here. I'm not a big time business owner at this time. However, I am very strategic and very consistent, and I know who I want in my business that I want to work with. I don't accept just everybody. That's important. You need to know who it is you serve, who it is that you're making business advanced strategies, tips, tricks, content for. You want to make sure that you're talking to the right person of whatever it is you're offering in your business. I offer some coaching. Anybody that's confused and unsure about how to get started, there's a huge valuable package that I present that most people do not. But again, it's expensive. It's a higher ticket option than my digital courses or my digital videos that are free. That's just an option. And I do that because I want to help people on a one-on-one private basis or one-to-many basis. It may even still be a video format, but it's designed specifically for that client, that person that is chosen to go through my coaching program. Now, all that being said, when you have your content that is available out there for free, people are going to consume it. They're going to get to know you. They're going to get to like you. They're going to get to trust you. That's when people buy from you, is when they have those 3 elements. They know you, they like you, and they trust you. If they don't like you, they're not going to buy from you. If they don't trust you, they're not going to buy from you. And if they don't know you, they're not even going to choose to do anything because they don't have any idea who you are. That all being said, my strategic plan is this. I build content for the public that is free, which you're watching right now on this YouTube channel. I send you over to my link. You then put in your email. I follow up with you. I send you stuff that I don't show the public. I offer you products that I don't show the public. There is one main public product that I do advertise, that I promote right now, but it's literally an entry-level product that most people are on TikTok are like, yeah, I've seen that, I don't care. I don't let people know what all they're going to get, and I don't want to share that with you because that would spoil the surprise. But I give a lot of stuff for free in my email sequences because I want to deliver value. I want you to get results off of my free content, and I want you to give me testimonials that, hey, this guy actually helped me. He doesn't hold back anything. He shares everything. That's my plan with my business. And that's my strategy. So now let's say you were interested in that. You click my link. You put in the information I requested. You look at my content. You say, yeah, this guy is someone I can work with. You go through the process. You put in your email. You go through the email sequences. You decide to purchase something. I'll get a commission as an affiliate for those things. Or if it's my own personal products, I will get the 100% price, of course, and then I would pay my taxes and tithe and all the different expenses and such stuff like that. And I offer a return policy, a refund policy for a certain amount of days. It's all on there before you click purchase. Nobody has to purchase anything. It's literally just options. You want to make sure, just like McDonald's, you offer more than one product so that if you're serving somebody that doesn't want that product, there's another option for them to choose. It's just a strategic way to keep your income going by multiple income sources is what we call it. Okay, so I know this video was long, and I see that you're still looking at this screen, but literally this is it, guys. This is what I do in my business. I make free content to the public and I send them over to my link. And again, in my YouTube and in my TikTok, I go right here. They click that and they go through to my site. My site is a free site. I don't pay any money for the site. Only thing I pay for is that URL, that jonesrandomknowledge.com. I use another affiliate partner that is on my site that I promote that also will be a cheaper option for people than to get a whole hosting program. Well, if I'm talking a lot of gibberish here, just leave in the comment section if you're confused or something. Reach out to me, josh@jonesrandomknowledge.com. At the beginning of this video, I gave you the email. And we can go ahead and go through your questions, and I try to make videos and answer your questions more specifically. But I'm hoping this video was helpful to you.
If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.